Artificial intelligence, a term that once seemed like science fiction, is now the driving force behind some of the most groundbreaking advancements in science. From accelerating discoveries to solving age old mysteries, AI is reshaping the way we understand and interact with the world around us. But how exactly is AI transforming science? Let's dive in. Scientific research often involves processing vast amount of data. Before AI, this meant years of manual analysis. Today, AI algorithms can sift through terabytes of data in mere minutes. For example, in drug discovery, what once took a decade can now be done in a fraction of the time. AI tools like DeepMind's AlphaFold are even predicting protein structures, opening doors to new medicines and therapies. AI isn't just confined to Earth. It's helping us explore the cosmos. NASA uses AI to analyze data from Mars rovers and space telescopes. AI systems are also guiding autonomous spacecraft, helping them make real-time decisions in environments where human invention isn't possible. These technologies are allowing us to map distant planets, identify potentially habitable worlds, and even search for signs of extraterrestrial life. Climate change is one of humanity's biggest challenges. AI is stepping to help. Machine learning models predict the effects of global warming with unprecedented accuracy. AI-powered drones are reforesting areas faster than ever before, and predictive models are helping communities prepare for natural disasters like hurricanes and wildfires. In healthcare, AI is proving to be a lifesaver. AI-driven diagnostics can detect diseases like cancer earlier than traditional methods. Robotic surgeries guided by AI ensure precision that was once unimaginable. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI played a crucial role with vaccine development by rapidly analyzing viral structures. But AI in science isn't without its challenges. Ethical concerns like bias in algorithms, data privacy, and job displacement are significant issues. Scientists and policymakers are working to ensure that AI is used responsibly, balancing innovation with ethical considerations. So, what does the future hold? Imagine AI labs where experiments are conducted autonomously, or AI creating custom medication tailored to an individual's genetic profile. the possibilities are endless. With proper guidance, AI has the potential to solve problems we've yet to imagine. AI is not replacing scientists, it's empowering them. Together, humans and machines are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As AI continues to evolve, it's clear that the future of science is brighter than ever. If you enjoyed this exploration of AI role in science, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what other science topics you would like to cover. Until next time, stay curious.